how to buy automatic treasury machine token. Now this token, as you can see, it came under the symbol of ATM. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, make sure to check the Telegram channel too. Now this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. It's created 1 day ago and increased by 1000% in less than 4 hours. The liquidity is unlocked by 99%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. Also, this token, as you can see, trending number 2 right now in the Solana section. Now, before going on by this token, copy the token address from here, open your funds from wallet. After that, now here click on swap, make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address, as you can see. So click on your token here and type here how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you'll be able to receive that token. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure here to read all of that information and click on swap. And after that, you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face an issue, go back to this page, and as you can see here, turn it off and switch the slippage from your customer, because most of the issues came from the slippage. And after that, you can go and buy the token without an issue. So this is how to buy ATM token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.